Welcome back. It's now time for your Midday Sports Report.
Reggae Boys head coach Steve McLaren was pleased with the team's performance as the Jamaicans defeated the Trinidad and Tobago Soca Warriors 1-0 in the first of two friendlies at the Montego Bay Sports Complex last night. The all-important goal came from Mount Pleasant captain Sule Makala, who netted in the 83rd minute. Coach McLaren says as the game progressed, he saw the improvement.
I thought they got stronger and stronger as the game went on. And I think the first half were a little unsure, a little passive rather than being aggressive. But I think the second half, one or two things we changed and we became more aggressive. And we talked about people coming on, making a difference. And I think all the changes were excellent. And came on and we said, if you come on, make sure you're ready, make sure you impact.
And goal scorer Sule Makala says he feels elated to have finally gotten off the mark for the national team.
It's a tremendous feeling, to get the first goal for your country. And, the crowd will get a lot of support tonight. So, it's a great feeling to know that the people came out and enjoyed themselves.
Meanwhile, despite the defeat, Trinidad and Tobago's head coach Dwight York says he was pleased with his team's performance.
Our target was to try and match them to see how far the gap is between the two teams, and we are fairly confident in terms of the outcome of the game, although the results haven't gone our way. But I thought it was a pretty decent game from both sets of teams, and it was enjoyable to watch. Although we didn't win the game, but what we came here with the intention of trying to, I thought we had some really good moments in the game as well.
The second match will be played on Sunday at the Anthony Spalding Sports Complex. The Jamaica Millennium Motoring Club JMMC is taking steps to protect drivers locally as a number of its members took part in a virtual safety seminar offered by the International Automobile Federation, the FIA. Car racing is considered to be one of the most dangerous sports in the world because of the high speeds involved, increasing the risk of serious or life-threatening injuries. However, according to OurGear.com, the mortality rate for circuit racing is currently excellent with less than 0.10 per thousand per annum. This is possible because of the rapid improvement in safety measures for drivers implemented by FIA. A number of motor racing officials have been participating in the seminar, and chairman of JMMC, Stephen Gunter, is pleased with the commitment he's seeing from the group.
Always heartening that our officials show enthusiasm. Everybody has a regular 9-to-5 job, and to get up at 3 o'clock in the morning to attend an online seminar, actually two online seminars back to back, before then leaving for your regular 9-to-5, it shows the level of dedication and enthusiasm that these officials have, and we're grateful for that.
And finally, Buffalo Bills quarterback Josh Allen has gotten the MVP award. It's the first time the Buffalo Bills quarterback has won the award, with the 27-year-old being selected ahead of last year's winner, Lamar Jackson from the Baltimore Ravens. Allen had been favorite to win, with his closest rivals being Baltimore Ravens quarterback Jackson, who was named the MVP for a second time last season. Allen registered 28 touchdown passes and 12 rushing touchdowns this season. He became the first quarterback to score multiple rushing and passing touchdowns in back-to-back games, and the first to claim a passing, rushing, and receiving touchdown in the same game. Allen registered career-low figures for interceptions, sacks, and fumbles as he led Buffalo to a 13-4 record, reaching the playoffs for a sixth straight year. I am Christopher Scott, and that is your Midday Sports Report.
And that concludes the Midday News Package. I'm Carrie Ann Simpson. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.